Hi! Welcome to Shijoji Postal Hostel. And ito po yung mga rooms namin.
So unit siya.
Capsule type lang po siya.
Magkano po ma'am lumalabas isang capsule po?
Single capsule good for one person, it's 488. Then we have double deluxe, it's good for two person. Then it's 888.
888. Ma'am, ano po makikita sa loob po ng capsule natin?
Dito sir, we have only towels.
Ito ma'am, pang ilan po ito ma'am?
Good for one.
Good for one po.
Yes po.
Yeah. Bali may charger po siya ma'am.
Yes po.
Tapos may mirror. Tapos kasya-kasya ma'am no? Ang tao.
Oo.
Tapos ma'am, saan po sila maliligo ma'am?
Dito sir, we have shared bathroom and toilet.
Ah, yan ma'am. Wala po tao ma'am no?
May naliligo.
Ah, may naliligo. Okay, yan ma'am.
Then we have dressing room here.
Dressing room
And-
here po.
Yes. Lavatory.
Sige. Ma'am, saan po kayo located ma'am?
Sa we are located at D. Hacosalim Street, Cogon Ramos, Cebu City.
Ma'am, invite nyo naman sila ma'am.
Please visit us.